The magic of music.
Don't make it easy.
I've been asking people lately for ideas on how to keep a strong and healthy mindset during these really tough times. And a musician friend of mine said, well, Krista, what about music? And I was like, yes, and I actually love music, especially Broadway musicals, believe it or not. But I hadn't really thought about music as being a tool for keeping us positive and motivated. But I looked at the research and realized that music actually is really powerful medicine. So here's some of what the researchers have found. Music increases happiness. Okay, so this may seem obvious if you're a music lover, but research has shown that listening to your favorite music for just 15 minutes actually releases the happy hormone dopamine, and it gives you a natural high.
What you wanna do?
Music also reduces stress and enhances physical health. So listening to music reduces the stress hormone cortisol in your body. Stress apparently causes about 60% of all illnesses and diseases, so having less stress makes you healthier and obviously happier. In one study, they had some people that just listened to the music, and another group they were actually playing instruments or actually singing. Both groups showed an improvement in their actual immune systems, but the group that was singing or playing instruments had even better results. Music also improves sleep. Okay, so how many of us are having insomnia right now? These days, a lot of us, right? A study showed that people who listen to music, to soothing music within an hour of going to bed, actually go to sleep faster and they sleep more solidly. Music also reduces depression. Again, this has to do with the hormones that music actually helps release: serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, if I'm saying that right, the happy hormone. But it also depends on what kind of music that you're actually listening to. Research showed that classical or relaxing music were the best. Techno and heavy metal actually made people even more depressed, so watch out for that. Well, how many of you are eating a lot right now? Well, good news. Research shows that music actually helps you eat less. I know some of us have been visiting the refrigerator a little too often in the past few weeks, right? Well, according to research, with a combination of music and soft lighting, people actually eat less and enjoy their food more when they actually eat. Listen, I can go on and on about all the benefits of music that researchers have discovered. It helps with memory in people with Alzheimer's disease. It increases verbal skills in young children. It raises IQ and academic performance. It improves recovery time for people who've been in surgery who've had a stroke. With all the benefits, it's definitely worth adding more music into your day, especially now. Let me know what music you're listening to. I'd love to hear from you on my social channels. And as always, thanks for a little bit of your time. And don't forget, we have a free challenge right now. If you go to KristaMashore.com/free challenge, I'll be personally coaching students for free for a 20-day stretch. I'd love to see you there. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.